Hey, I'm Tony Rivera and this is Dream Car Driving, and today I want to talk about my BMW, the cost of ownership for how long have had it, and specifically for this year. I'll get into maybe in other years or talk about it more later about other years of owning the car, but now I want to talk about this year of ownership, what it cost me. Surprisingly, it can be expensive, and at the same time, if you're smart, it can be super cheap. And I want to show you guys that. Stick around, stay around, and I'm about to show you my BMW. But before I do that, tap the like button, subscribe, and also just take a moment and look at this beautiful scenery. I know, it's pretty nice. A lot of people don't get snow, but I get it. It's starting to snow hard right now. But come on guys, let's go check out my car. So now that we're in my car, let's talk about the problems that I had to deal with throughout the year with my car. Just to mention a few, I'm on my phone right now, guys. Engine camshaft positioning sensor, intake side, valve cover gasket, camshaft positioning sensor, exhaust side, serpentine belt, spark plugs, oil sensor, oil pan gasket, oil for my car, a brand new battery. That may not sound like that much, but let's really break it down. We're talking about a BMW here. We're not talking about, an American made car where car parts are a lot cheaper, on domestic soil. We're talking about a foreign car. Okay, so right off the bat, the car's front emblem was fading, so I went online. I usually got all my things through eBay. Mostly through eBay. I wish I did Amazon Prime, but I'm late to the game with Amazon Prime. I probably would have got everything a lot faster as well, especially with that amazing 2-day shipping. Let me tell you, I love that. So a lot of stuff I got was from eBay. BMW emblem, it was faded in the front. That cost me $13.65. If I would have got that at Advanced Auto Parts, it would have cost me $40.58. I got it for $13.65, a genuine one. Engine camshaft positioning sensor, I got it for $8.75. Advanced Auto Parts, $56.99. My grill, the front grill, kidney grill, was worn out. It's a 20-year-old car, close to being 20-year-old car, so I just changed that out. It cost me $34.97. I got myself an aftermarket one. I got myself a gloss black M kidney grill, like you have seen in the videos. It only cost me $34.97 for the pair. In the store, they range from $40 per side, passenger and driver side, $40 for the cheapest. I saw it all the way up to $80 per side, and they didn't even look that much difference. It may have been a quality difference, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. $40 per side on the low end. Valve cover gasket, it only cost me $50.99. I wanted to get the best one. I got that in the store before I started going on eBay. That was one of the first things I bought because the car wouldn't start when I got it. just wouldn't start. I noticed, you know, it was leaking oil from the gasket. The gasket looked at dry rotted, basically. It looked at old. It looked at, you know, well, it had its fair share. So yeah, so the valve cover gasket. Mind you, the valve cover, I bought it offline on eBay, used. I'm all about saving money and getting the car running as fast as possible, as cheap as possible. For the valve cover, cost me $49.99. Plus, I also got the warranty from eBay, 6-month warranty, just in case anything happened to it. So I was pretty, you know, confident and, you know, fine with that. I was confident with that purchase because in the store, Advance Auto Parts, and same with the AutoZone, they were going to charge me $489 for a plastic cover. For the valve cover, $489 or $49.99. You guys tell me what one's a better deal. And you know, I put a bunch of miles on the car now. The valve cover is just fine. I'd rather spend another $49 and replace it 2, 3, 4 years from now, and I'll be perfectly fine doing that instead of paying $489. So far we have the 2 camshaft sensors, intake and the engine side, kidney grill, valve cover gasket. I just went with the Fel-Pro. I wanted to get, you know, the best that there was. I didn't want to get something, you know, that was off-brand or cheaper. I looked online for, you know, what was good and recommended. I got the Fel-Pro. I got the Goodyear Gatorback Serpentine belt. That was $12.80. $12.80 on eBay. You know, at Advance Auto Parts, it was $25.99. $25.99. Yeah, I saved myself some money there. Reverse inner tail light. Both sides. I got it for $46.10 for the pair. If I would have got it at AutoZone, Advance Auto Parts, it would have cost me $43.99. $43.99 per side. Yeah, starts to add up. I got myself the best plugs that I thought I could get. Maybe there's better ones, I don't know. But I got myself the 6-piece Bosch Platinum spark plugs plus 4-prong. Cost me $31.75 on eBay. And at Advance Auto Parts, it would have cost me $12.43 per spark plug. Yeah. The BMW fan clutch wrench, to be able to do the serpentine belt, I had to get that part. Cost me $8.39. In the store cost, it would have cost you $26.79 for the cheap one. Mind you, for the cheap one. I got myself smoked indicator side markers on both fenders, front fenders. You know, just to give it more of a stealth look. You know, this is a 2000 car. That year came with the bright orange side markers. Not too fond of that. Cost me $19.93 versus getting the ones off of Advance Auto Parts, $25.44, sorry, per side. Yeah, I got a better deal. I got better looking side markers and everything for half the price. Oil sensor, $15.13 versus $109 for the cheap one at AutoZone and at Advance Auto Parts. And for the high priced one, it was $146.99. Yeah, I wasn't doing that. And then I got the oil pan gasket for $13.45 versus $42.99 at your local, you know, parts store. LED reverse tail lights cost me $6.95 on eBay versus $20 in the store. You know, oil, I got that from Walmart. $50 total for the oil this car takes. I think it's a lot more than buying the, was it like a 5-quart or something like that? I think this car takes 5 quarts. It definitely takes 5 quarts plus. So I bought like a 5-quart, and then 2 more quarts after that, I think, something like that. And then the battery is 169. So for me doing everything on eBay, it cost me $528.02. Versus if I got everything in store, everything from Advance Auto Parts or AutoZone, the estimated price was $1,319. You know, I saved myself $791. $791. You know, and this is not even including maintenance. This is not even including, you know, paying someone to do this. I didn't pay anyone to do this for me. I bought it. I bought all the stuff. I did it myself. You know, the BMW E46 is a good platform to start off using when you're learning. I could only imagine that if you went to a dealer or a mechanic, this would have cost you a lot more. I don't know. I can't even fathom how much it would have cost you. You know, all this right here for work-wise, probably, I'm gonna say anyone can do all this 12 hours of work. No experience, no nothing. You put 12 hours of work, you know, you can do all of this. You know, the oil pan can be a little bit, the oil pan gasket can be a little difficult. It is difficult, and you know, but you know, with, you know, just taking a day and committing yourself in that day to doing the oil pan gasket, you're more than capable of doing it. BMWs in general are very fun cars to drive. They may not be the quickest car off the line, but let me tell you, taking corners, the handling is amazing. I mean, you can take this car around the bend 50 miles an hour, you know, merging onto the highway 50 miles an hour, and be comfortable and confident with this car, you know. And I love it about this car. You know, I had other cars where I could only push them to 40 miles per hour around the bend. This car, you know, 50 miles plus easily, and that's a testament to the driving capability of a BMW with the suspension and everything. This car is the perfect car for someone who wants a build, who wants a project car, not necessarily even a project car, a daily driver car, because it can be fun and rewarding. Yeah, you have to put some sweat, tears, some blood, and you know, some frustration with dealing with this car at times, but it's completely rewarding and worth it. It's very rewarding and worth it. And I hope you guys who do want a BMW get into one. I got into a BMW and I can't go back. I can't go back to my 2013 Toyota Corolla S. I had a 2013 Toyota Corolla S, and I was done with that car once I got my hands on a 2000. The year 2000 BMW drives 10 times, 100 times better than a 2013 Toyota Corolla. A lot better, and I can't go back. I can't go backwards. I gotta go forward from now on. And I recommend it, guys. Come on, guys. You want that BMW? You go get it.